The Internal Revenue Service is the federal agency responsible for collecting taxes and enforcing the tax code in the United States. It stands for the Internal Revenue Service, which is a bureau of the Department of the Treasury. The agency manages the massive task of processing over $4 trillion in annual tax revenue to fund essential government operations. Their primary duties include processing millions of filings, helping taxpayers understand their obligations, and ensuring everyone follows the law. While the IRS is a bureau under the Treasury, they focus on collection, whereas the Treasury manages the nation's overall finances. The budget is split between enforcement of tax laws, general operations, and direct service to taxpayers who have questions. Always remember that the agency offers resources like their official website to help you navigate your specific tax situation. Learning how the IRS operates is a great first step in managing your financial life. Thanks for watching and stay informed.